Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make armor in Blockbench. Armor models are used to equip characters with visual gear. First, open Blockbench. Go to File, then select Plugins. In the plugin browser, search for Minecraft Item Wizard. Click the plugin and install it. This plugin allows you to create custom items easily. Once installed, start a new project and look for the plugin we just added. Select Create an Item. In the preset options, select Chestplate to start. Enter the display name of the item. This is the name players will see in-game. Next, set the identifier. This is how Minecraft identifies your custom item, similar to how it identifies default items. After that, you'll see the functionality settings. Here, you can adjust how the armor behaves, such as how much protection it provides and its durability. You can skip the icon glint if you don't need it. For exporting, you can either export the item to a development pack folder or integrate it into an existing pack. For this example, we'll export it to a folder. Don't forget to enter a pack name. After clicking Next, the item will be exported. Click Next again to open the armor for editing inside Blockbench. Press Ctrl+S to save the item. You should also save the texture by right-clicking it in the Textures panel and selecting Save. And that's how to make armor in Blockbench. Thank you so much for watching.